Hello, Pop-Uppers! This is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. Here's the fourth flower of our 14 Pop-Up Flower series. If you're interested to know how to make it, then keep watching. The pop-up element is only the flower, so I drew the stem and the leaves. Of course, using the colored pencils. I love the colored pencils because it gives bright but soft and vibrant color. Additionally, it is also great for blending and layering, especially for the highlights. This is my inspiration for today's pop-up flower. I don't know what's the name of this flower, but I have a lot of them in my little garden, and I find them so beautiful. Now, let's fold this square-sized paper to make a flower. The folds create 8 petals, but we need to cut one out in order to make it stand. You can see that later. Now, let's color the flowers. Of course, you can use any color that you like. So, here are the pop-up elements: the big flower, the smaller flower, and the stamen. Let's fold the spread half. Attach the end-to-end petals of the bigger flower, covering the non-colored part. We need to cut the bottom part of the flower in order for it to be attached onto the spread. But be careful because we need to leave 2 tabs. tabs must be from the center petals. It should look like this. We will do the same thing to the smaller flower. Pop-uppers, before you cut the bottom part, make sure that you already identified where the tabs are so that your efforts won't be wasted. But if you get confused, just play the video slowly so that you can follow easily. Okay, first, let's attach the stamen onto the smaller flower. You can adjust the tabs by cutting if it is necessary. Second, let's attach the smaller flower to the bigger one. Next, let's create a small cut on the spread because we're going to insert the tabs here. And finally, paste the tabs at the back. Ta-da! Here it is! This is our pop-up flower. Thank you so much, pop-uppers. I hope you enjoy the video. See you next time. God bless. Bye!